So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make a sub page on your Wix website. So first of all, you have to come on this editor.wix.com, and after that you will see an option here called page and menu. After clicking on it, you will see a bunch of pages on your website, and you don't have to do nothing. Just drag the page you want to make sub page of any one page. Like I want to make my about page a sub page of my home page. Okay, so I just drag and drop it like that, and if I want to add another sub pages, like I want to add my opening hours page in my home page, then I just drag this page like that and drop it in here. So like that you can just make your sub pages on your Wix website. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.